Okay, picture this. You're walking down the street and there it is, another trash can just completely overflowing. We've all seen it. But what if that trash can could just pick up a phone and call for help? Well, today we're diving into a really brilliant DIY project that does exactly that.
It's a fun question to think about, right? But the idea behind it could fix a huge everyday problem. You know the scene. Public bins overflowing, or maybe your own bin is packed solid a full day before garbage day. It's just a messy, totally inefficient way of doing things. But what if the bins themselves held the key to a smarter system? I mean, think about how we do it now. The garbage trucks run the exact same route on the same day every single week. It doesn't matter if a bin is empty, half full, or overflowing. When you stop and think about it, that's a ton of wasted fuel, wasted time, and a system that just can't keep up with what's actually happening on the ground.
But of course, there's a much smarter way. And an absolutely ingenious DIY project shows us how it's done. An automatic garbage collection system. This thing completely flips the old model on its head. It makes waste collection reactive, efficient, and honestly just plain cool. So, what are we really talking about here? Well, at its heart, this is an Internet of Things project, or IoT for short. All that means is we're taking a normal object, in this case a trash can, and giving it a brain and a voice, using sensors and some software. It uses those sensors to see how full it is, and then uses cell technology to literally call for a pickup when it's ready. All right, so how does this smart bin actually pull off this trick? It might sound super complicated, but it's not. The whole process really just boils down to three simple functions: sensing, thinking, and communicating. And this is the secret sauce right here. It's a simple, elegant loop. First, a sensor is constantly measuring the distance from the lid to the top of the trash. Second, a tiny computer, the brain, decides if that measurement means the bin is full. And finally, if the answer is yes, it sends out an alert. Measure, decide, alert. That's it. That's the core of the whole system. Now, what I think is really cool is that this whole thing is built with parts you can easily get your hands on. The brain is a little computer called an Arduino. The eyes are an ultrasonic sensor that works kind of like a bat's sonar. Its compass is a GPS module, so it always knows where it is. And the messenger? That's basically a tiny cell phone that does one thing: sends that text message alert. So, that all sounds great in theory, but the real question is, does it actually work? Well, let's walk through the live demo and see this thing in action. All right, here we go. The device powers on, and right away it starts to wake up. It's initializing its little cell modem, connecting to the network, and getting ready to do its job. Now that it's all booted up, the ultrasonic eyes take their first look inside. And, yep, totally empty. The distance to the bottom is big, and the little screen on the device confirms it. So far, so good. Okay, let's toss some garbage in. The sensor sees the change right away. But here's a really smart little detail. To avoid mistakes, the system actually waits for 10 stable readings in a row before it officially updates the status. Once it gets some, the screen switches to low level. As more trash piles in, the system just keeps watching, keeps measuring patiently. As soon as the trash passes that halfway point and the readings are steady, the status updates again, this time to mid-level. It's like a little watchdog, just waiting. But here's the crucial part, the trigger. When is a bin actually full? Well, the creator programmed a specific threshold. When the trash gets to just 5 centimeters from the sensor at the top, that's the moment it knows it's time to act. And there it is. The moment the trash crosses that 5-centimeter line, the brain makes its decision. The status on the LCD screen flashes, garbage bin full, and the final step in the process kicks into gear. And this is what it was all for: the actual text message sent by the device. It's clear, direct, and tells you exactly what needs to happen. The little messenger has done its job perfectly. But check this out. The message is way more than just words. Because of that GPS compass, it includes the bin's exact latitude and longitude. And even better, it formats all of that into a clickable Google Maps link. So the collection team doesn't have to guess. They just tap the link, and it takes them right to the bin that called for help. How smart is that? So you have to remember, this is an amazing proof of concept built by just one person. But what happens when you scale this up? Let's zoom out a bit. This one simple idea could transform from a single smart bin into a foundational piece of our future smart cities. And the difference is just night and day. You go from these rigid, inefficient schedules to dynamic, on-demand pickups. Instead of trucks wasting fuel driving past empty bins, they can follow super optimized routes, only going where they're actually needed. For a city, this could mean saving millions on fuel and labor, cutting down on emissions, and just having cleaner public spaces. It's a win-win-win.
When you really boil it down, this whole project is about taking an ordinary object and adding that simple logic: measure, decide, and alert. And that idea just opens up a whole world of possibilities. It proves you can build powerful automation from simple, accessible parts. So it leaves you with a big question. If we can solve overflowing trash cans this elegantly, what other everyday problem is just waiting for its own smart solution?